Friends, hope you all are keeping well. I think we will start with the new subject, and that is your cash flow statement. As you know, cash flow statement, it is a flow of cash. How the cash is coming in to the business and how the money is going out from the business. And this cash flow statement is the format of which is given in the accounting standard 3, and this accounting standard 3 has also been revised, and we will try to solve all the problems, and we shall also know what is cash flow statement in this particular class. So let us start with the cash flow statement. So first I like to tell you that what is the flow of cash, how the money is going in and going out. So let us take the shape of a human heart. And in the human heart, if you see, this is the layer, and in the human heart, if you see, then you will see that they are pumping the blood here, blood is coming here, and in the other way the blood is going out. The blood is going out from the system, from the heart, and this is blood is going out from the heart. What does it happen? Blood is coming in, get a purification by oxygen, and it is going out from the heart. So this is how, this is called inflow. This is your inflow and this is your outflow. In the business, the money is the blood of the business. जिस तरह ब्लड जरूरी होता है कोई बिजनेस करने के, कोई ह्यूमन का हार्ट को चलाने के लिए जिस तरह ब्लड जरूरी होता है, life without blood is impossible. Similarly, business without finance, without funds, without cash is impossible to exist. क्योंकि बिजनेस में the starting is your capital, how the capital comes and how the capital is utilized. So this is your cash flow, how the inflow and outflow of cash. Similarly, this concept of inflow and outflow of cash is divided into 3 parts. That is, one is your inflow and outflow. Inflow and outflow is divided into 3 parts. One is your operating activity. Operating activity. Then another one is investing. This is investing activity. And another one is your financing activity. financing activity. So these are three activities. All the inflow and outflow of cash. Inflow is positive and outflow is negative. That is, money is going out, it's called outflow, and money coming in, it's called inflow. And all this inflow and outflow is divided into three parts. One is your operating activity, that is day-to-day operation of the business. Generally, this is concerned with money collection from debtor, payment to creditor, wages payment, any other expenses payment. This is relating to the change in current asset and current liability items. These are all current nature, your day-to-day activity. Then comes the investing activity, concerned with your purchase of fixed asset, fixed asset purchase, fixed asset sale, profit on sale of fixed asset, loss on sale of fixed asset. All these items are taken care of in investing activity. So in investing activity, we generally take the sale and purchase of fixed asset investments. Profit or loss on sale or purchase of investment. Profit or loss on sale of investments is taken to find out the operating profit that is coming in operating activity. That we shall come very clearly with the format, and you can also download the format with questions from the Telegram link. But before that, I will put before you the details of the format. I will explain you the format of cash flow statement. Then financing activity, how the business is financed, that is collection of capital, increase in capital, sometimes redemption in the preference share, drawings, sometimes loan is taken, sometimes loan is repaid, sometimes interest on loan is repaid, dividend is paid. All these things are coming on the financing activity. How the business is being financed. This is called financing activity. Similarly, all the inflow and outflow of cash is divided into three parameters. जिस तरफ आप लोग डिफरेंट टाइप का सब्जी बनाते हैं खाने के लिए, but it is going to the one place, that is stomach. How different varieties of dishes are going to only one place, that is your stomach. Similarly, we have divided the inflow and outflow of cash in three activities as per accounting standard 3. और वो तीन एक्टिविटी में जो भी आपका कैश maybe in all the activities cash is surplus or cash is short. If cash is surplus, we tell that is cash flow. If cash is in shortage, मान लीजिए कि ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी में देयर इज ए सरप्लस ऑफ कैश, नेट सरप्लस, उसको बोलते हैं नेट कैश फ्लो, नेट कैश फ्लो. सपोज इन इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी a plant and machinery has been purchased for 50,000. There is no sale, so 50,000 has been utilized. There is no source, and the net cash is your negative. So if net cash is negative, we generally call net cash utilized. This is not a cash flow. कैश फ्लो अगर होता है तो ये आपका पॉजिटिव होगा. नेट कैश यूटिलाइज्ड और वी कैन से यूज्ड, दिस इज नेगेटिव. If the net result of any activity is negative, then it is net cash used, because inflow is less and outflow is more. If the net cash flow is positive, that means inflow is more than outflow. So if we can this is your inflow of cash, money is coming out inflow. And here money is going out, outflow. If inflow is greater than outflow, the result is net cash flow. Net cash flow. Inflow is less than outflow, then the result is net cash used. Net cash used. So friends, this is how we will design the cash flow statement as per accounting standard 3. Then I am coming to there are two methods of preparation of cash flow statement. The one is there are two methods. If you see, the two methods are here. One is your indirect method. Indirect method. Another one is your direct method. Another one is your direct method. This indirect method of cash flow start from net profit before tax and extraordinary item. Net profit before tax, interest and extraordinary item. This is the starting point of cash flow from operating activity. Similarly, direct method में starting point is your cash sales, collection from debtor, collection from debtors. So friends, this is all coming under accounting standard 3. In accounting standard 3 there are two methods and the format is specifically mentioned. format आपको दे दिया. आप जब एग्जाम में प्रॉब्लम करेंगे तब फॉर्मेट हिसाब से ही करने से फुल मार्क मिलेगा. Right? So we will come to that format, we will discuss with the format and I will show you how the format is there. You can download the format from the Telegram link given in the channel. So you will get a clear picture of how the cash flow statement is operating. And this indirect method and direct method I will give you, that is there are two methods are there. One is your indirect, another one is your direct. Right? Indirect method, direct method. If I will tell that is operating activity, cash flow from operating activity, then I will say this is different. In both the methods it is different. In this case it is starting with net profit. Here it is starting with cash sale collection from debtor. Therefore this particular method is different. Then another one is your investing activity. फ्रेंड्स इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी में ये दोनों मेथड सेम. सो इफ यू रिमेंबर वन you can remember the other also. Both are completely same and there is no change. Similarly in financing activity, also this is completely same. Only this ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी में जो प्रेजेंटेशन, इनडायरेक्ट मेथड में जो प्रेजेंटेशन और डायरेक्ट मेथड में जो प्रेजेंटेशन वो अलग होता है. फिनेंसिंग एक्टिविटी फुल्ली सेम एंड इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी आल्सो फुल्ली सेम. So if you remember one, you can apply here. If you remember here, you can also apply here. But this is different, and we will go by the formula, that is format, and you will know what is the things, how it is changing. So please keep your attention to the format we will discuss. Friends, this is a cash flow format of direct method, and this direct method is as per accounting standard 3. तो ये फर्स्ट आप देख लीजिए, दैट इज कैश फ्लो फ्रॉम ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी. इसमें पहले कलेक्शन फ्रॉम कस्टमर. अगर आपका कैश सेल है तब कैश सेल भी पहले इधर आना चाहिए. सो कैश सेल एंड कलेक्शन फ्रॉम कस्टमर. देन कैश पेड टू सप्लायर, दैट इज पेमेंट टू क्रेडिटर, दैट विल कम हियर. देन कैश पेड टू एम्प्लॉइज, जो सैलरी, वेजेस, बोनस, कमीशन, एम्प्लॉय लोग को जो पेमेंट होता है वो इधर आएगा, आपका कैश पेड टू एम्प्लॉइज. देन वी विल कम टू योर, दिस इज कैश पेड टू एम्प्लॉइज का अंदर आपका सैलरी, बोनस एटसेट्रा विल कम. कैश जनरेटेड फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन, देन इनकम टैक्स पेड, cash flow before extraordinary item, then extraordinary receipt. That is a different thing. कोई earthquake हो गया, disaster settlement, fire settlement, तो इसके लिए जो पैसा मिलेगा या ये इधर आएगा, बस हो जाएगा नेट कैश फ्रॉम ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटीज। सिमिलरली जो आपका लेस है ये माइनस हो जाएगा और ये ऐड हो जाएगा। देन कैश फ्लो फ्रॉम इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी, दैट इज सेल ऑफ फिक्स्ड एसेट, sale of securities that are not cash equivalent, interest collected. Interest collection is a inflow, add, dividend collected, add, purchase of fixed asset, this is less, purchase of securities, this is also less, and giving loan, this is also less. Now coming to net cash from investing activity. If the end result is negative, then net cash flow नहीं होता है, this is net cash used in investing activity हो जाएगा अगर ये negative होगा तो। अगर this is negative, then it is net cash used in investing activity. Similarly, cash flow from financing activity. Financing means how the project is financed, that is proceeds from issue of share capital, that is long term borrowing। अगर आप लोन लेते हैं, प्रिफरेंस शेयर को पेमेंट करते हैं तो लेस हो जाता है, रिडम्पशन ऑफ प्रिफरेंस शेयर, दैट इज पेमेंट ऑफ प्रिफरेंस शेयर, रिपेमेंट ऑफ अमाउंट बोरोड, जो आप लोन लिए थे अभी पेमेंट करते हैं, बाय बैक ऑफ इक्विटी शेयर, आप इक्विटी शेयर परचेस करते हैं तो पैसा देना है, और पेमेंट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, पेमेंट ऑफ डिविडेंड, ऑल दीज आर नेगेटिव। So net cash from financing activity will come, and all these three figures, this is 1, this is 2, another one is 3. If you add these three figures, then will come net increase or decrease in cash or cash equivalent. Then opening cash balance को आप add कर दीजिए, you will get the closing cash balance. You will get the closing cash balance here, and this closing cash balance will be tallied with your balance sheet figure, and it will give you the understanding that the problem is correct, right? ये closing cash balance आपका balance sheet का closing cash balance का संग tally हो जाना चाहिए। Then comes the indirect method. I have already told you, मैं आपको बोले कि indirect direct में सिर्फ आपका ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी में चेंज है, दूसरा कहाँ चेंज नहीं है। सो कैश फ्लो फ्रॉम ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी, डेप्रिशिएट, नेट प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स, एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी आइटम, डेप्रिशिएशन ऐड हो जाएगा, लॉस ऑन सेल, प्रोविजन फॉर कंटिजेंसी, प्रोविजन फॉर रिटायरमेंट बेनिफिट, प्रोविजन फॉर बैड डेट भी ऐड हो जाता है, प्रॉफिट ऑन सेल ऑफ फिक्स्ड एसेट और इन्वेस्टमेंट, इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट रिसीव, इंटरेस्ट रिसीव, प्रिलिमिनरी एक्सपेंस राइट ऑफ, ये ऐड हो जाता है। सो दीज आर लेस, provision for contingency is added here. This is provision for contingency does not mean your provision for bad debt. So provision for bad debt अलग है, this is provision for contingency, कोई particular contingency के लिए अगर आप पैसा रखते हैं तब ये ऐड हो जाएगा। Similarly your अगर current asset इंक्रीज हो रहा है, दैट मीन्स मनी इज पुट इन द करेंट एसेट, आपका पॉकेट में पैसा नहीं है इसलिए लेस हो जाएगा। सपोज करेंट एसेट इंक्रीज, दैट मीन्स आपका पैसा स्टॉक में है, आपका पैसा डेटर में है, आपका पैसा इन्वेंटरी में है, इसलिए आपका पॉकेट में पैसा नहीं है इसलिए कैश बुक में पैसा नहीं है, इसलिए लेस हो जाता है। करंट एसेट अगर डिक्रीज होगा, दैट मीन्स आपका पैसा स्टॉक में नहीं है, डेटर में नहीं है, तो आपका पैसा पॉकेट में है, कैश बुक में है, इसलिए ऐड हो जाता है आपका इंक्रीज इन करंट, डिक्रीज इन करंट एसेट। करंट लायबिलिटी अगर बढ़ेगा, उसका मतलब आप पैसा पेमेंट नहीं किए, तो पैसा कहां गए, पैसा आपका पॉकेट में है, इसलिए ऐड हो जाएगा। सो इंक्रीज इन करंट लायबिलिटी ऐड हो जाता है क्योंकि आप लायबिलिटी पेमेंट नहीं करते हैं। डिक्रीज इन करंट लायबिलिटी अगर डिक्रीज होगा, दैट मीन्स यू आर पेइंग योर क्रेडिटर, you are paying the outstanding, you are paying for outstanding expense, so ये डिक्रीज इन करंट लायबिलिटी में लेस हो जाएगा। इनकम टैक्स फिर पेमेंट होता है तो लेस हो जाएगा। एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी आइटम में आपका रिसीव होता है तो ऐड होगा, पेमेंट होता है तो लेस हो जाएगा। दिस इज योर कैश फ्लो फ्रॉम ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी। फ्रेंड्स, और जो इन्वेस्टिंग और फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटी, ये पूरा ही सेम है, इसलिए मैं दो बार उसको नहीं बोलते हैं, राइट। विथ दिस फॉर्मेट वी विल मूव टू द डूइंग द बेसिक प्रॉब्लम्स एंड एडवांस्ड प्रॉब्लम which are applicable for your BCom level and any other exam level also. So friends, if you like my video, please subscribe and offer your comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you all.